Hi guys, it's Mandy from Momcraft Teach. Today I am doing another unboxing of something that I found at Aldi. I'll probably include a few more photos of what I found on my Instagram page. So if you don't already follow me on Instagram, my name on Instagram is inspired_plans. So we'll just jump right in to the Pembrook planner kit. This was $8.99 at my local Aldi, and like I said, I think I saw at least three different styles of covers, maybe four actually, and I chose this purple one that said Think Happy. It came with gray discs, and the discs on it, similar to the Happy Planner, do have a cutout in the middle where the Happy Planner is a star. The Pembrook planners have, the Happy Planners have hearts and the Pembrook planners have a star. So I was really excited when I saw this. I had no idea that this was even a thing. And it includes a 12-month planner, 12 dividers, 5 sheets of stickers, 5 sticky note pads, and 3 magnetic clips. So I haven't even opened this at all. I just literally went over to Aldi today to pick up some groceries, and I always like browsing the little Aldi Finds aisles because they always just have a lot of nice gadgets and different things that I don't always need, but it's always interesting to see what you can find. So going ahead and opening this, it's a nice box, very similar to the Happy Planner kits that you might find at your local Michael's or Joann's, the box sets. We'll just take a look at these sticker sheets. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 different sheets of stickers here that are all on this plastic holder here. At least 3 of them look like they are month stickers for months, so that leads me to believe that this is an undated planner. And then we have 2 sheets of decorative stickers, many having the same get it dones, goals, to-dos, checks, and then a variety of quotes. So at first glance, all of these stickers seem to be paper, opaque. I'm just gonna peel one off a little bit here. They don't seem very different. They kind of remind me of if you followed or used the Happy Planner in the beginning, where the paper was just a little bit thicker than the stickers that they have now, and they all do have kind of a glossy finish, and some of them do have some metallic writing on them. So those are the sticker sheets. I decided to do purple because a lot of the other themes were either pink or had black, white, and gold, which I feel like I've done before, and purple is just not something that I love the color purple, but I don't normally gravitate towards it when I'm purchasing things. So I really like floral, which I thought was really nice, and and I really liked these magnetic clips that I see here. So let's just go ahead and take these off and take a look at them. So they're not actually metal. This is just, it looks like a metallic paper, and they stick together. So we have the heart, we have love, and we have a purple rose with the metallic lines. And then we have some sticky notes that are attached to a card here, which are nice because you can go ahead and put them inside of your planner. So some page flags, looks like a quote that says, love what you do, and blah, blah, blah. I like that they're page flags, but I kind of wish that they were a little bit more functional. The blah, blah, blah is cute. I could write a small note here, but I feel like I would want something maybe that has a little bit more space to write. That's just my personal preference. And so Think Happy, this is my cover Again, first impression, the covers are definitely similar. It has a thicker laminated coating here. The edges of the page are a little bit rough. I don't know if you can see that the plastic does have a little bit of, I don't know what you would call that, but you can see that it has a little bit of kind of fraying or whatever. It's not peeling though, so it's not like it's gonna come apart. And then, like I said, it has some gray discs that have the stars running through the end there. They are plastic. They don't feel much different from a Happy Planner disc. And on the inside, it's cute with the purple polka dots. Let's just see both front and back. So this planner, it has your same, this planner belongs to, similar to the Happy Planner, and starts in the month of August. We have our monthly overview, a monthly, kind of like an overview of your month, similar to the Happy Planner as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out my planner here. Let's just look at August. So in August, it does have a few more lines. I know that in some of my previous planners, we had more of this currently, stuff like that in my previous planners. I don't have, or sorry, as you can see, it's not here in August, but just like the Happy Planner, the divider is decorative. And when we open it up, we have a very pretty monthly spread here. So August, and here is what our weekly layout looks like. So it looks like through the month of August, they're all the same on every single page. You'll see here that it's very similar to the Happy Planner. We don't have the small calendar in the corner. We do have a nice column for notes. We have our day split Monday through Wednesday, Thursday through Sunday on each page. Let's go ahead and open up one of my weeks here in the Happy Planner. You can see that the columns are significantly smaller, and everything, like I said, is undated. So technically, if you bought this later, or if you wanted to buy it now and use it for a different month as far as the weekly pages go, you could. I just wanted to do a quick comparison here as well before we keep going. Just wanted to take off my covers and see. Yes, it is the same size, so that means I'm sure the pages are the same sizes as well. I honestly might just take this cover off because I really like it. It's a very beautiful, and just to freshen it up, because I know we're going into another season, and I have the flamingos cover on my current planner, and I thought maybe I would like to change that out. So let's just do a flip through here of our monthlies. So we have kind of a lilac color here, and it looks like maybe every month, I'm just gonna quickly flip through the weeklies here. Yes, so it looks like throughout the whole planner, your weekly view is blank and will look like this, with the kind of gradient background that's multicolored, teal, and then kind of an ombre violet here. So I'm just gonna show you October, a cute witch and moon, work hard, dream big. Here is the monthly view. November, very cute. Again, just showing you that the weekly is the same throughout the whole planner. December, some beautiful snowflakes, another beautiful quote, and your monthly view. January. February, my birthday month. Oh, that's very cute. March. I feel like this is kind of more of, it's interesting. I think it's kind of eclectic as far as the patterns go, because when I'm looking at the cover of this, I was thinking it was going to be a little bit more floral and I don't know if I would say garden themed, but I'm finding that this is reminding me a little bit more free spirit slash floral. I don't feel like it necessarily follows one theme. I mean, it does follow a color scheme. There's definitely a lot of purple throughout this planner, but I feel like it's just not what I expected inside, which is not negatively not what I expected, just not what I expected. So we're just gonna keep going here. I do like the bright colors. I feel like this looks maybe a little bit more youthful. Definitely something that would be great for a student, one of your kids, and you know, definitely a great school planner that's a little bit more affordable if you don't want to spend you know, the same amount on a regular Happy Planner. I know also that maybe you might not be able to find it at one of your local stores. So Aldi does offer another alternative that is much less expensive. Even with a coupon, I believe, let's say you can get 50% off, you're still spending $10, I would think, $10-ish on a Happy Planner if you have a 50% off coupon, whereas this is $8.99, so technically $1 cheaper without a coupon that's available at Aldi. So July, that is the last month that we have here. Similar to the Happy Planner, the last page is available for notes. And I guess my first impression is that this does seem a little bit more flimsy. I don't know if it's just because it's plastic discs or maybe the paper. I don't know, the paper seems about the same. But I think that this is a really cute planner. It's another alternative that you can definitely use. I don't know exactly what I'm going to use this for yet, but I will think of something. Maybe I will just do a plan with me using one of these spreads, and I can just kind of franken plan it and add it into my planner. Maybe I'll use this as a fitness and wellness. I know I keep saying that I want to do that. It really is a goal of mine. Or maybe I will make it my mommy planner, maybe just kind of memory keep and write some journal things here for my daughter Maya. She has started walking. Well, she started walking at 13 months, but she has started running now, and so she does not stop when she wakes up in the morning, and I found it a little bit more challenging to get things like filming and planning done. But it's another thing just to add to my list. I think that maybe just because it's a 12-month rather than a 18-month that I'm used to, it just seems a little bit thinner and maybe flimsier because there's not as many pages, or just because my current planner, I don't take any months. Well, I haven't taken any months out since it looks like the beginning of the year, so it's getting quite thick and heavy. So I feel like maybe that's why this just seems a little bit more flimsy. If I had less pages in this, it probably would be the same. So overall, I think it is a very cute planner. Like I said, maybe something that someone, you know, a student or you know, a child would like. It's perfectly fine for an adult as well. So great. I think it's a good quality planner if you're looking for something less expensive, or if a Happy Planner is not available in your area. So that is my unboxing and review of the Pembrook Planner Kit from Aldi. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos. And until next time, happy planning. Bye.